The following video will provide instructions on setting up your home sleep study equipment with the Remmers Sleep Recorder. Your equipment package should contain the Remmers Sleep Recorder and power cord, breathing effort belt, finger probe, nasal cannula, medical tape, measuring tape, and snore sensor. Step 1. Recording neck size. With the measuring tape provided, measure around the middle of the neck. For men, measure just below the Adam's apple. Record the measurement on your morning questionnaire. Step 2. Fitting the breathing effort belt. First, pull the belt around your body. Thread the end of the belt through the slot and fasten the tab to the belt. Ensure that the belt is very snug but not restricting your breathing. Position the belt at the middle of your torso as shown here. Insert the cables into the device matching their corresponding color. Step 3. Fitting the nasal cannula. Hold the nasal cannula with the prongs curved downward as shown here. Next, insert the prongs into your nostrils, looping the tubing over your ears. Pull the slider up toward your chin until the cannula tubing is snug but not uncomfortable. Place 2 pieces of tape on your cheeks to secure the tubing in place. Insert the end of the cannula into the device, turning clockwise to secure it in place. Step 4. Fitting the finger probe. First, fit the finger sensor over one of your index fingers with the cord positioned above the finger. Next, use the medical tape provided to secure the probe in place on the top of the hand and arm. Insert the cable into the port labeled oximeter. Step 5. Fitting the snore sensor. Start by peeling the backing off the sensor to reveal the adhesive. Next, use your finger to find the soft notch just above your sternum and push the sensor into place. Secure it with 2 pieces of medical tape. Ensure the cord comes out the bottom as shown here, because this sensor will also record what position you were sleeping in. Insert the cable into the matching port on the device. It should lock into place and can only be removed by pulling from the grip at the end of the cable to unlock. Step 6. Starting the test. When you are ready to go to bed, turn the device on simply by plugging it in at the back of the unit. Next, press and hold the green button until the device makes a beeping sound. The display should indicate that it is recording. You may now go to bed as normal. When you wake up for the day, perform these final steps. Turn off the device by unplugging the power cord from the back. Unplug all the cables from the device and return the equipment to the carrying case. Complete the morning questionnaire and place it into the bag as well. Please discard the nasal cannula.